Hey, let me show you how you can get access to your voicemail messages on the Realme 12 5G. So all you have to do is just to go into the phone dialer, open the app drawer, locate phone dialer, then click on the three dots in the right upper corner, open the settings. Now scroll all the way down, move to the voicemail, then click on the advanced settings, and now you have to select number. So when you call into this number, you will be able to access your voicemail messages. So just go into the phone dialer one more time, and now by going here, input this number, make a call, and you will find information that you are calling into the voicemail. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work in my case because I just don't have the voicemail. I just didn't set up the voicemail. But if you actually did it, you will be able to open these messages. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.